What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Kyosho Fazer MK2 2022 Toyota Tundra. What I'm doing today, I'm running these tires right here. Done switch these tires out. It's supposed to be orange. It is orange, but the rims was red before, and I just painted it orange, but the orange is too light. So what I'm doing, I want to try this off-road, and I want to try this forest in there. Unfortunately, I can't track the speed, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off on 3S to see how she handled. I got in here is the Copperhead 2 ESC forest capable, and I have the 3800 kV motor. This is censored. It's a censored system in here. I just want to see how she's gonna do. Like, I have a metal spur gear in here now. I upgraded this spur gear, upgraded the ESC and motor and its castle combo here. Now I need to upgrade the diffs, but I'm gonna run this on 3S. Let's see how she handles. Then I'm gonna throw that 4 in. Speed test coming soon. This is really a test day, but speed run coming soon. All right, let's see if she get out this grass here. Nope. And let's see what she got here. Whoa. I don't know about no 4S. I'll do 4S one time. This thing don't seem like this thing is moving, ain't it? She can handle gravel a little bit. Since that chassis so low. Yeah, these tires can't handle the gravel too well, but I mean, it's real, oh man. Yeah, it can handle it a little bit. Some rough terrain right here. Come on, you can do it. This is not a basher though. Don't do this with your I didn't think the servo could handle this. I don't know if these front rear discs can take this much punishment though. But this is 2S disc system and everything. Thing is pretty good though. Oh yeah. Damn. Oh, there we go. I was wondering if I couldn't do no damage. Cracked the chassis, side guard on the chassis, knocking out the receiver. Yo, these tires actually handle pretty good. It's actually handling the turns and my little drift pretty good. That 4S had this thing flying though. I'm not gonna put it in. I ain't gonna put the 4S in. Let me stop because I know these temps got to be a little hot there. Yo, this thing is a rocket, man. Yo. Yeah, I gave this the durability test today. All right, let me stop, because I know this thing got to be hot. And this thing handled it, though. Them tires ain't no joke. They ain't gonna last too long. Now, the tread look pretty good on it. I had to trim the body to get the tires to fit right. And it's 4S capable. But the next run of this car, I'm gonna do a speed test, see how fast it is. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.